over at Speedico Refinish Network. All right, guys, so we are extremely close to getting some paint on the Del Sol. However, I really want to do it in a spray booth, but that requires the back half of the shop, at the bare minimum, the floors to be done. To get the back half of the shop prepped and ready for epoxy coating and self-leveling, got a tool here for you guys I wanted to review. So we got the Westinghouse wpx2700 pressure washer with us today. It's on good old homedepot.com website. I got this unit over the summertime for $220 shipped to my house for free. Now, because of the whole coronavirus thing and shipping prices going throughout the wazoo, I don't think it's that cheap, but it's still under, I believe, $250. This is actually Home Depot's probably cheapest high pressure washer that they have on their website. This one puts out 2,700 PSI and it's under $300. Is a pretty good bargain. Assembly for this unit is actually extremely easy. This literally just clips in with these little buttons. There's no bolts. It's very cool. Like a little foot stopper up here that just slides right through the bottom and you put a nut on the top. And after you get all that done, all you got to do is put together your wand, take out your different spray nozzles, put them in there, put your spray hose together. One end of the hose connects to the spray wand, one end of the hose connects right here after the pump. If you're going to be using the heck out of this thing, I would say honestly upgrade to a better oil. I would not use this. Probably go with like an AMSOIL or like a Royal Purple or something more high grade. Now, once your pressure washer looks something like this, you're all oiled up, you're pretty much ready to go. You go ahead and select whichever nozzle you want. All right, so I know I've done a lot of talk. If you guys have made this far, great. We're going to go ahead, we're going to run the store, we're going to get some gas for this thing, fire it up, and we're going to do a small square, and we're just going to see what this thing will do. All right, so we made it to the back half of the shop. We're going to test this thing out on the walls. They're extremely dirty. They look like they've been painted in probably 10 or 20 years. And we're going to test it on this back portion that is extremely greasy. We got some good old 99-cent ammonia. Just went ahead, brush it in. We're gonna see if that even helps at all. We'll also pressure wash a spot right next to it and just see just what the pressure washer alone, no chemicals, no solvents will do. Go ahead and turn your fuel on. Keep your kill switch off, okay? Make sure it's on choke. You're gonna give it one pull, let the fuel suck through the system, okay? All right, it's primed. Now that it's primed, go ahead and give it a pull. Then flip it to run. Done. So under the pressure washer, we have the ammonia treated section. See a lot more clarity. You can almost see through to the concrete. Here we have the untreated section. This is still very dirty. I definitely say the ammonia helped along with the pressure washer. Here we have a unpressure washed side of the wall. Pressure washed. You can actually see right where I stopped. So definitely did good. No chemicals on the walls, just straight up water and pressure. Did a pretty good job. So, what's the Mac Daddy verdict for this pressure washer? I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. For the price, wow, this thing was incredible. Like I said, I got it on sale for $220, shipped to my door for free. I think they did go up in price about $20. I think they're around $250 right now. But guys, even for $250, This thing starts on the first pull every time. It works really good. As far as what I would use this for, this is absolutely supersedes Harry Homeowner style pressure washer. I would even go as far as saying you could use this for mild commercial use if you had like a small pressure washing business, or had like a, I don't know, a 9,000 square foot shop like me. It would probably work out just fine. All right, guys, so that wraps up for this one. As you guys can see, I have 9,000 square feet of space to clean. I'm gonna get back to work. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.